Hey, what's up guys? Hope that all of you are doing well. So there's a new update available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video we will check out that update. So for the update you will have to go into the Galaxy Store app of your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and after going in there, tap on this menu option, then tap on updates. After tapping on updates, you will see that there are multiple new app updates available that you guys might be missing out. And the main one is the Samsung Internet Browser. There were multiple other apps update also available, as you guys can see. Apps like Expert Draw and furthermore apps like One Hand Operation Plus Display Assistant got some new updates. While the most of the other app updates include some bug fixes that were there before. If we talk about the Samsung Internet Browser update, so there is a change available in the Samsung Internet Browser. This is how the Samsung Internet Browser looks like before the update. Now let's update it and check that how it will look after the new update. You can also update it from settings that tap on About Samsung Browser. If you want to update all of these apps at once, simply tap on Update All or tap on this icon if you want to update a single app. Talking about the update size of the Samsung Internet Browser, so it is 109 MBs in size. Now that the Samsung Internet Browser is updated, let's open it, and as you guys can see, there's a difference in the address bar. Let me know in the comment section that if you can identify the difference between before and after the update of the Samsung Internet Browser. Now if we talk about the One UI 8 beta update, so if you are on the beta version, so there's a good news for you that there's a new beta version 4 available for the One UI 8 update. Talking about the changes, so there are some new changes available in the Samsung DeX and some bugs and issues have been fixed with the One UI 8 update. So these are some of the changes that have been made with the new One UI 8 beta 4 update. Let's hope that we will get to see the stable version soon of the One UI 8 update. The One UI 8 itself is an enhanced version of the One UI 7 update. So if there were any bugs or issues with the One UI 7 update, that will be fixed now with the One UI 8 update. There will be very less new features and the UI changes with the new update. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the new updates available for the Samsung Galaxy devices. If you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.